let me record. Okay, so this is the simple project I created, and inside the project I created one simple HTML file, and inside that I created one simple tag. So this is the tag, and we can able to see the response. At any point of time, if you want to see this view source, just right click and view page source. So you can able to see the source code. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, this is fine. So far we are good. Okay, now I want to display some tabular content. So let's suppose how to display this table content and all, right? Let's suppose.
Yeah.
So generally we used to the table like a header, first name, last name, and below that you will see multiple records, first name, last name, email, and below that so many first names, last names. So how to display this table content and how to give some colors, all those things. It's a simple basic things I can tell you. Okay. So let's suppose how to whenever you want to create a table, so we need to start with table. So this is the basic tag and ending tag. So this is a table. So if you want to create number of rows and columns, so this is the basic tag called table. So inside the table, how many rows and how many columns we need to create, that we need to decide first time. So let's suppose I want to create three rows and two columns. 3 rows and 2 columns. So in that case, 3 rows, table row.
Oh, TR means table row.
Yes, correct. TR means table row. So like that, I want to create 3 rows. 3 row. Starting tag and ending tag. So next time, third one, just I will copy and paste it. So 3 rows I created. So in each row, I want to create 2 columns. So first one is row, one row, second row and third row. So in each row, I want to display 3 columns. Just I created separate way. So in each row we used to call it the table data, TD.
Okay.
This is one cell, one column. Like this, I want to create 2 columns. Oh, 1 second. Hello? Hello? Yeah, tell me. Yes, tell me. Yeah, tell me. Today you called me, right? Oh, okay. Can I call you back after 2 minutes? I'll call you your number only, okay? Yeah, thanks. Yeah, sorry. Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, fine. Okay. So now let me clear this one. First, we will create one row and three
Three rows.
columns.
3 rows, 2
Okay.
columns.
In each first row, I want to display first name, and in second column, I want to display last name. So first, what I'm trying to create here, one row. Inside that row, 2 columns. TR means table row, TD means each column. So let me run this one and we will see the output. Just running means just we need to refresh the page. Did you see here? There is one row, entire row, and inside that 2 columns. This is one cell and this is one cell. Right now here it's not appearing like a table. Table means we need to see like a columns, right? Like if you see your Excel.
Yeah.
So how to get that columns? That. So we have one column, one tag called border. BO. See, before that, right, we don't know what are the possible tags is there. So now Eclipse will give you that all possible tags. Control space bar. This is a shortcut. Just press Control and space bar. So you will get entire.
Oh, tags.
Yes. So there is one tag called border. Just give one. Now go back to your page. Did you see here?
Ah,
Now we understand one row and how many columns?
2 columns.
Yeah, so this is fine now. So I want to add one more column. So what is the how to add one more column?
TD.
Just copy and paste it downside. Email,
Mm.
first name, last name, and email. And go back to this page again. Now first name, last name, one row having 3 columns, and below that now I want to display first name value, second name value, and third name value. So let me create another row. So this is second row, right? So
Yeah.
second row and tier TD starting and TD ending. So like this I have to create how many columns? 3. So just what I will do, just copy paste. So so under first column I have to write first name.
Okay.
So first name I will write my name something, and last name I will write my name as S. And the last column is email. So I will write manohar@gmail.com. So 2 rows basically. One is headings. So in first row we are displaying headings, and in second row we are displaying corresponding values. Just go back to your page and refresh it. Again, I will see these values.
Yeah.
So in this way we can able to add n number of rows and columns. So this is the basic syntax. TR means row and TD means in this particular row one particular cell, one particular column.
Okay.
Okay, this is the simple syntax. Let's suppose if you add one more, if you want to add one more row, just copy the entire second row and paste it downside and change the value. Give XYZ and give P xyz@gmail.com. So this is a simple way to write second column. So 2 columns. This is fine, right? So let's suppose if you want to see the view source of this page, whether you will go for developer exchange or developer tools or anyone is fine, or else just right click and view page source. You will get this, I mean, view source basically.
Okay.
So I mean, why I am telling you know, whenever you are trying to see the view source, so you will see this kind of tags, so that you will be now you know what is TD table everywhere.
Okay.
Okay, and let's suppose, and another some small one more change is, let's suppose if you want to make this heading as a bold, so we know how to make a bold this content. There is one tag called bold,
Bold. Yeah.
open tag and ending tag. So now first name will display as in bold format. So now go back to, did you see here there is a difference, right? First name and last name bold. So this is where we can display bold tags.
Okay.
Or else there is another way. So this is one way to display bold, and another way is table heading.
Okay.
I think this also will work. Let me refresh. No, it is not working. So the best way is you can use bold tag. So for last name also you can use bold tag and end with bold. Email starting with bold tag and end with bold tag.
Slash. Yeah.
Bold tag. Now refresh your page. So first name, last name is in bold, and rest of the things in normal format. Okay, this is fine. Okay, and I will tell you some more tags. So this so far is table is clear, TR, TD, everything is clear, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Now I will tell you there is another tag called style. See,
Okay.
style, just style. Now the entire table content is displaying in black color. If you want to display some different color, there is a style is a tag. Inside there's a child tag called color, and what color you want to display. So just select it, and it will control spacebar. To get this menu, we have to press control spacebar.
Mhm.
Then it will display all possible colors. Just select whatever color you want. Okay. Now I had given color as a green. Now go
Okay.
back to your page. Did you see here? You can able to see some difference, right?
Yeah.
The text is displaying in a green, some green color. The same way, let's suppose now the background color is white. If you want to change the background color, there is some other tags is there. Again, do press Control Space Bar,
B- BG color.
BG background something, background color. Okay, and again Control Space Bar, it will give orange.
Oh.
So text color is green and background color is orange.
Uh,
So now go back to your page. So this is the way we can able to change the color of table. Okay, now table is fine, right?
yeah. And now I want is that another say 100, 10, 15 rows or something empty.
Okay. Uh-huh. So so this is fixed. Basically, this is a fixed means we are hard coding here. Let's suppose,
Uh,
say for instance, from your REST services or your in database, there is some 50 records is there.
yeah.
So
Yeah.
if you want to display these 50 records dynamically, so we have to use JavaScript. So we need to
Okay.
iterate these rows. How many rows is there? That many times we need to iterate and we need to display. So that we have to use JavaScript.
JavaScript. Okay.
Slowly we will increase. I mean, okay.
Yeah.
So this is just we are hard coding values and we are displaying. Let's suppose from database you are getting some 100 records. So we need to display 100 rows, right?
Yeah.
So that is the next time whenever we are starting including JavaScript for this element, so we can able to display that elements. Okay, and now table is fine, and now we will see the div tag. So
Mm.
if you see most of the, I mean, page web source, right? You will see the div tag. Let me open some other tags. So if you see this view source, right? View page
Yeah.
source, you will see a lot of div. See, just I did control space bar. See how many divs is there.
Divisions. That is
Yes,
okay.
divisions. So now we will see what is the purpose of division, how to change the colors, all those things.
Okay.
This is basically the Facebook main page. So there is so many divisions is there. Okay. The same way in we also will add some divisions. So div is a tag basically
Okay.
with the starting and ending. So inside the div, we are not displaying anything. Just we added one simple div and we are not
Uh,
displaying anything. So inside the div, I want to display my name. I displayed my name. So now go back to our page and just refresh it. So it is displaying, right?
okay.
Okay. And let's suppose inside the div, there are some other elements also is there. There is some bold tag is there. Bold X, Y, Z starting and ending. So like this, there is so many other elements also is there inside the div.
Okay.
Okay,
Now, what is the
div.
difference between see above Manohar you displayed
Uh,
below the body
uh-huh,
and after division also same thing
uh,
you're doing
correct. So now, but Manohar is there under
division.
division.
Mm.
So let's suppose,
Okay.
so under div there is some n number of elements is there. So if I
Mm.
want to control all the elements under div, whatever it is there, so I can able to control class, not class. So there is a tag called style under div. So if
Mm.
you don't know what are the possible tags, just press Control Space Bar. So you will get everything. Then again, what are the possible values? If you don't know, Control Space Bar.
Mm.
background color. So here I want to display some blue color.
Okay.
So inside the div, how many elements is there? They will get a different color. So let's go back to our div tag. You see the difference, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So that is the main purpose of div.
yeah, I
So
understand.
let's suppose in your page there is different sections is there. So this is one section and this is another section and this is another section. So you can create multiple divs and you can give different colors for each section.
Okay.
So that is the main purpose of div. The same way, let's suppose I want, let me change this color. We are not able to see anything. So let me give some purple. Okay. So background color I had given purple, and let's suppose if I want to change the text color, so I can give some red. So like that I can able to control multiple elements under div. So that is the main purpose of div tag. So I can write here, let's suppose I want to write here tag first name and colon I want to display input type equal to, I think we already discussed, right, this one.
Yeah, yeah.
Input type equal to text
Text.
and close tag. So this is a FIR first name, input type equal to text, and we need to give some ID equal to F name.
Mm.
So okay, now go back to our page and try to refresh it. So we can able to see, but everything is coming in one line. So if you
Yeah.
want to display in multiple lines, we have to use break.
Flash and break.
Break in slash n, that is in Java.
Oh,
So here break.
yes.
So here break. So now go back to your page and just refresh it. See Manohar S in first line and second line XYZ first name equal to something. So
Yeah.
this is different div and this is different div.
Yeah, I understood.
So like that you can write n number of divs and you can give your own colors. Now I want to create a different div, just same as it is. Basically how many divs is there now? Two is there. I want to change the color. Yellow, and the text color I want to give to some, sorry, not red, blue. So two different tags, content is same, maybe sometime we can, if you want, that is up to you. If you want you can change, otherwise you can ignore. So
Okay.
here there is no br or. Okay, now go back to your page and refresh it. You will see the difference. You will see the difference, right?
Yeah.
So both are different divs. So we can able to manage their entire property by using div tag.
Your time.
So that is the main purpose of div and table. And let's suppose now it's occupying entire width, right, page,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
but our content is there only till here. So we can
Okay.
able to control that one, but there is some other tag called width.
Oh, width.
Yes, see here, width. So for a page, if you want to cover only 50%, you can give 50%. Let's suppose if your screen is very big monitor, then based on the screen it is trying to create, so 50% of the screen it is occupying
Okay.
this division, this I mean second division, and first division is occupying entire division, I mean entire screen. So you like that you can able to control all the elements under a particular div. So that is the main purpose of div. And let's suppose I'll give some other simple tags. You will see, right, in some of the web pages, some content are scrolling from left to right or right to left.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
So how to do such kind of things? There is a tag called mark, M-A-R, mark you.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, right here, uh, flash news. Just close. So mark you is a tag. Inside the tag, what content you want to display.
Okay.
Okay, and go back to your page and refresh it. Did you see here? There is a text is coming.
Oh, excellent.
This is the way you will see this. I mean, this piece of code, right? I mean, almost all the news, I mean,
Yeah, yeah.
websites. So they will display some flash news.
Okay.
So now, so right now by default, the flash will come from left to right.
Okay.
Let's suppose if you want to if you want to allow the text from right to left, so we can able to control. So we need to see the properties. So press Control space bar. Direction. There is one tag called direction. So by default, the text will start from left and left to right. So
Okay.
if you want to start the text from right, just give direction from right. So it will start by default from right. For right now, it is starting from
Right to left.
right to left. Okay. So now it is coming from
Up to right. Yeah, yeah.
right to left. Yeah. So like that, we can right now it's not displaying any in bold format. If you want to
Yeah.
control all those things,
Think. Yeah, yeah.
yes, we need to apply style. STYLE style. So what color you want to display? Color. What color you want to display? You want to display blue? Just display blue. And where is the page? It went off. Did you see here? You got some difference, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So this is the way they are displaying the content and all.
Okay.
Like that, if you want to display anything or any data, you can write here. And let's suppose if you want to display that content, there is so many elements is there. So if you want to control, so you need to apply the corresponding style. So right now there is no border or anything. So if you want to give some border, just give 2 pixel. So right now the content whatever we are displaying, you will not see any border, right, for this
Okay.
flash news. So right now just I applied some border. It's not, border is not coming. Let me write some color. Border color red.
Blink. Can you blink? Is there?
It is there. There is so many tags
Yeah,
is
it will
there.
be there. Yeah.
It will be there. It will be there. So based on our requirement, we need to apply the style, color, background,
Yeah.
border color, background color. We need to apply here. So that is the main style tag.
Okay.
So this is the I mean style. So there is so many fields is there under style, but we need to select whatever we need. You see here, there is so many tags is there. See, there is n number of tags is there.
Yeah, yeah.
So if you want to add background image also, we can able to add. If you want to add background color, you can able to add.
Okay.
So this is the main simple style tag and mark tag. So this is one tag. So and another tag, what I want to tell you, in so many pages you will see the links. Links means, let's suppose if you to go open Google, did you see here Telugu, Marathi,
Yeah, yeah.
there is some other foreign languages, everything is there, Hindi, right? So this is a hyperlink, you know, right? So if you click
Okay.
this Hindi, so there is some changes happening. Also see here, this is a Gmail. If you click this Gmail, so you are getting some page.
Okay.
So basically this is a uh, hyperlink. So how to display this hyperlink? This is we used to call this one as a hyperlink. See, whenever the cursor is reaching to that page, you are getting hand symbol. So
Yeah.
now there is no hand symbol. No hand symbol is coming. Now no hand symbol is coming. So how to display this kind of tags? Why I am telling you this thing, in most of the pages you need to understand the what is the tag name and what is the element, how to read this tag. It's required for you when you are doing automation.
Yeah.
So that's what I am telling. This one we used to call it as a hyperlink. So how to display hyperlink and how to navigate or how to open a new page. Okay, so this is clear, right? This mark.
Yeah.
Okay, and now I want to write one break. So break, what it will give, I mean, next thing it will display in next line. So instead of this thing, I want to display one horizontal line. So a book means book, what you will do, you will strike out one, you will create one new line. So the similar way here also we can able to create a new line. So that one, okay, the tag I didn't remember. Okay, I'll tell you that is fine. So now we need to display the hyperlink. So how to display the hyperlink? So there is a call tag a anchor tag. So here you need to display Gmail.
Okay.
So a is a tag name and under that is a child tag href, and what you want to display to the user Gmail. So now go back and refresh our page. Did you see here? You will see Gmail.
Yeah.
So now no hand symbol is there. So if you click this link, we need to open the Gmail page.
Yeah.
So that is if you develop any your website, right? So on click of this one, we need to develop Gmail page. So but right now on click of this one, we are not getting anything.
Yeah.
So now our goal is whenever you click on this page, we need to open the Gmail. So how to open that page? Let me log out, and I need that. Is this English? Sign out. Okay, Gmail. www.g. So this is the Gmail URL. Okay, I will type here directly otherwise. So on click of this Gmail link, which website you want to open? www.gmail.com. So this is user will see this one, and behind the screen you are trying to open this page.
Yeah. Gmail login.
Yes, Gmail login page. So now go back to our page and refresh it. Just click on it. So here it's not opening. Gmail.com.
Project.
Okay, so is there is www.gmail.com, Gmail anchor tag. Okay, there is some other tags you need to see. Okay, see there is
You
a
don't have.
on click. Okay, so here, right? So first what, this is a different, I will take tomorrow. I don't want to now explain now.
Yeah, you told on click button.
On click means whenever you are clicking this link, right? If you want to open, if you want to if you want to call any JavaScript function, so we
Yeah.
need to write here. Okay, now whenever we are clicking, go back to this page. So whenever we are clicking this one, so it's not opening. So why it's not opening? This www.gmail.com, it is looking inside our project. So this,
Yeah, localhost.
yeah, correct. But inside our project, this project is not there. So how to give a different location?
Okay.
So this is the way we used to give. Just to test this one, go back and refresh it. Did you see? Now we got it right.
Yeah.
So basically, we need to give full location.
HTTP also.
Yes, HTTP. So here we need to go instead of HTTP Gmail. Otherwise, it will look this URL inside your application. But inside our application, Gmail application is not there. So it will fail. Just refresh it and now click on this page. So you will get some Gmail page.
Yeah.
Now we got Gmail, right? Okay. So the same way, if you want to see here, now I'm moving the cursor to Gmail. See downside, you will see gmail.com just below the start button. You can able to see
Yeah.
www.gmail.com. So this is some another way. So whenever you are performing any operation, just keep cursor there and you can able to see the content of that hyperlink.
Okay.
So this is some different way to test. And
Okay. Good.
so now we are navigating from one page to another page. So this is the main purpose of this anchor tag. And now what else I can. So there is another line called horizontal line. So just run it. See, there is another tag called. So let's suppose still here I want to display one horizontal line. So how to
Yeah.
display horizontal line? I want to separate it. So there is a tag called HR, horizontal row something. So HR, just write it, HR open tag and close tag, and go to here and refresh it. So it will create one line. So these are the things we need whenever we are analyzing any HTML page or something. So if you know these tags, right, so so that you can able to pick your exact element very easily.
Okay.
So if you want to do automation, if you want to read these values, so you need to understand. So this Manohar @gmail is there under a table under second row. So if you know this element, so that it's very easy to do automation.
Yeah.
Okay, this is fine. So this is the HR. I'm not able to recall you previously. Now I got it, so I told you. So HR means basically it will create one horizontal line. Okay,
Okay.
and another
Yeah.
point I want to tell you about this flash news, right? So if you are not mentioning anything, so it will keep on rotating from right to left, right to left. So if you
Okay.
want to control, if you want to rotate the loop only for 5 times,
Okay.
so there is a count something is there, loop. So how many times you want to rotate the flash news? Whenever, if
Okay.
let's suppose I open the page, in that case I want to rotate the flash news only 2 times.
Okay.
Okay, but right now it's keep on rotating. Okay, now just I did refresh. See, now first time the news is coming from right to left.
Uh, let's see.
This is first time. Let me complete it. So we can able to control the time also fast. You want to rotate the news fast, there is a tag called time something. So this is second time it
Okay.
is coming. Second time it went, then it's not coming back.
Yeah, it's not coming.
So it will not come back. No, if you refresh the page or if you reload the page again. So now I'm going to reload the page. Just I did reload. Now it is coming.
Yeah.
So that is the way we can able to control the loop. So because
Loop.
these
Yeah.
are the things you have to understand, what is the tag name, how many times they are repeating the loop. So if you know this tag name, so that you can able to pick the tag, you can able to read the tag, so it's very easy to automation.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm telling, this count and all. There is so many other tags is there, so based on your requirement, you have to select the corresponding tag.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, and this is about HTML. And tomorrow what we will do,
Mm.
there are some events is there in JavaScript, on click, on mouse.
Mm.
So that is very important basically. Like I said right here, Gmail is a tag. Under Gmail we saw on click.
Okay.
On click is there. So this is one event basically. So whenever you are
Okay.
clicking this link, this is one event. So we need to call some JavaScript. We will see that one. And this is one event. And let's suppose in your first, there is a field called first name. So in first name, whenever you are pressing any character, I
Okay.
press one character, second character. Let's suppose this field is a phone number. So in phone number, what you have to type? You have to type only
Number.
numbers. So whenever you are typing any character, we should display some message.
Yeah.
Please type only number.
Mm.
As long as they're trying to enter number, we should not display anything. Whenever they're trying to press a character or any other thing, so we have to display one pop-up message. So
Okay.
how to control these events? So this is as part of JavaScript. The same
Mm.
way. So let's suppose here, first name means I need to enter only 10 character. But
Mm.
whenever I'm trying to enter beyond 10 character, we should not allow them. So how to control these kind of things? So this is will come as part of JavaScript. So basically
Okay.
these things we used to called as events.
Events.
On key
Okay.
press and on key press or on click, on mouse over. So let's suppose here, if I keep my mouse on first name, if you want to display some message, some
Okay.
more message, that will be very easy to user right to understand. See here, if I keep here Gmail, if I want to display some other extra information,
Okay.
so here that also we can able to display. I will show you that that we used to call as a tooltip something. So there is a, see, there is so many events is there. So whenever the mouse is coming to your tag or field or text field, if you want to perform some JavaScript operation, so on mouse up, on mouse over, on mouse out, there are so many events is there. So I will tell you, I mean, how to handle these events.
Yeah.
So this is very much important. So from where we can start original JavaScript. So this is brief about HTML. So
Okay.
now you understand, right? I mean, a div,
Yeah.
HTML, break means if you see any HTML page, view source, so that you can able to figure out something. So what is
Command.
which tag?
Yeah.
I mean, will belongs to which field or label, kind of thing. If everywhere the same. See here, there is a href is there.
HRF.
Just now we saw, right, href equal what we had given,
Yeah.
http colon s colon www.google.com. So another tag I want to tell you, the last tag. So in most of the pages we used to see the images, right?
Yeah.
Go back to your Facebook. So this is basically an image. So how to
Okay.
display images? So if you see, this is an image basically.
Mm.
So how to display these images? So let me download one sample image from Google Images and I will show you. Images, flower. So this is a flower. So I want to download this flower. Just save it. Save image as. So save on desktop. So I saved this image to desktop.
Okay.
Did you see here any downloaded file? Yeah, it is there here.
Yeah.
Okay, so this image I want to display into my HTML page. So how to display images? So there is a tag called image, image, open, close. So for image we need to give some input, right? So which image you want to display? We need to give some source.
Okay.
Say img. Okay, let's close it. So remove order, I will tell you later. So image is a tag. For source means which image you want to display, the destination of the image. So the right now the image is there on our desktop. So take the location of the image. So it is under C user. We need to give the full path
Yeah.
slash. So basically we need to give reverse slash here.
Mm.
And we need to give the image name. What is the image name?
Download.
Download.jpg
G.
something. So this is the image name. So now go back. So basically what it is telling, unidentified image. So let me copy that image and paste into
The browser.
browser, not browser, will keep
Okay.
in your project.
Okay.
So here I will copy that image. So our HTML and image both are in same location.
Okay.
Okay, so now go back to image source. So now your HTML file and this download image are both are in same location. Let's suppose if it is there in different location, we have to give that location.
Yeah.
So now go back. That's fine. Go back to your page and just right click view source. Okay, now I will see this page, right?
Yeah.
So if you want to control the width or border color, and if you want to, let's suppose now mouse, I'm moving my mouse to this image. If you want to display some name, title, so you can
Okay.
display everything. You can able to control here. Title, there is a call title. So what title, what hint you want to display? This is a flower.
Mm.
So now go back to our page. So right now just I'm moving my cursor to, did you
Yeah.
see, you can able to see some content, right? Help, this is a flower. Okay, now if I move my cursor from white to this page, I'm not getting any hand symbol. So
Yeah.
like that we can able to control everything. If whenever I'm clicking the image, if you want to call some JavaScript, you need to call the on click.
On click.
So write on click and you write one JavaScript function and call it. So this one we will see tomorrow. And if you want to display some border, go to you just write border and go to your page. You'll see some border. Some,
Okay.
there is no color. It's in black color, but we are not able to see. Let me give some color. Let me give 4. Border size width is 4. Border color red. So border
Mm.
size width we need to give. What is the border width you want to display and what color you want to display the border.
Okay.
So like that we can able to control the each and every element. See now some text is displaying. So this is the basic HTML overview. So this, I mean, you understand, right? This
Yeah, I understand. Yeah.
image tag and div, HTML, all the
Mm,
styles, how to apply the styles.
okay.
So this is the basic, I mean, HTML, and we will connect tomorrow same time.
2:30, 7 o'clock, right? Your time.
My time 7 o'clock. Yes, India time. And tomorrow we will
Actually,
see all the events,
yeah, sure.
like on click, on mouse over, and how to read the elements, how to read the text field values when you are typing. So why I'm
Okay.
telling this one, whenever you are trying to do automation, right? So
Mm,
whenever they're typing, let's suppose you need to validate one of the phone number field. So whenever you are typing, so you need to automation side, you have to read what is the character they are typing.
okay.
So then you need to stop them. So that's what we need to understand, what is the mapping of the field and which event we need to use here. So that's where these mappings and events will be useful for you. Okay.
Okay.
So we will connect tomorrow, I mean same time, like India time, 7 p.m.
Okay.
And you can before that, what I will do, I will share this video and I will upload this video into YouTube, and I will give you the link today itself, and you can verify it, and if you have any doubts we will discuss tomorrow.
Thanks.
Okay, yeah, fine, we will see you tomorrow. Okay, yeah, bye.